Right, I was asked the other day how I cut my sheets of brass or nickel silver. Well, at the moment I'm using a squawker like this. As you can see, the end is fairly well chewed up, but I do keep it sharp. And I use a vernier and a ruler for keeping things straight. Now, I've set the vernier at 27.5 millimeters, which is the size that I want to cut off. So my first job is to set the ruler with the vernier so that I get the dimension that I want. Now, I gently score probably 3 times to start with. Then I like to get the ruler out of the way because it does get in your way a bit. And again, gently, that didn't do it very well because I went off course. As you notice, I turned it round so that we go from the other end. Now, I don't want to go all the way through with this, believe it or not, because this is actually going to be a fold line. So that will be far enough for now. That's to give me an idea of where we're going. Now, the next dimension is 11 millimeters. So I add that to the 27.5. Which should, in my reckoning, be about that much. Reset everything. Here we go again. Same process. Now let's hope that I can actually do this correctly. There you see, I've run off. So let's rescore. We're not doing very well here, are we? I think I'm just pressing a bit too hard. If you press too hard, you do wander off. So you just got to be a little bit patient. Now I'm hoping that that's probably just enough to get us to snap it. There we go. Now, the next bit we've got to do is make it a different size. So, there's going to be a fold on one end of each piece and the top folded in. So, the fold is going to be 11 millimeters again because it's got to match the other piece that's already been marked out. So here go for a square. Now this is a fold. This is going to be a fold. That piece there is going to be cut out. This is going to be folded over. This is going to be folded down. Now we need a length, don't we? Which, if I remember correctly, which I don't remember correctly, is 96 millimeters. Now 96 millimeters is a bit long on the vernier, so we'll put that on and adjust it to 96 millimeters to the line, not to the end, to the line, because that's where how long it's going to be from there to there, not from there to there. One. Now the second one is it's 96 millimeters to the fold line. So we very carefully put it into the right place. Again, this is a fold line, so don't go all the way through. Now, because we're doing the reverse of the other one, it's 11 millimeters, which I can't really do with the vernier at the moment, so we very carefully set it up. Now this is going to be a cut through, so we do a few more harder cuts. That can go with the other bits ready for recycling into newer parts. Now I just want to deepen this bit here, which is actually going to be a cutout. It's going to be cut out, but I'll do that in a different way in a moment. Now, what I'll do is I'll go down these grooves when this corner's cut out with a square file, just to make a nicer V for a firmer fold. And there you can see we have a left and a right hand. These are going to be the inner tank sides. I don't know what happened to the piece I cut for them before, but as you can see, it doesn't take very long to do it.